Hi, I'm Mary, and if you would like to learn more about home decor, holiday decorating, gardening, houseplants, crafts, anything to do with making your home a nice, cozy place, well, you're in the right place. And you might consider subscribing. Just hit that little subscribe button below, and you might even want to hit the notification bell. That way you'll know whenever I put up a new video. So let me invite you today to join me as I am participating in a challenge that is being hosted by Denise Jordan. And her challenge is called a Fall Kitchen Vignette. And I am not someone who really likes to decorate before the 1st of September for the change of the season for fall. And maybe that's because living here in the mountains at high altitude, our spring is so late that I think I like to extend the summer as much as I can so that, I make the most of the summer season. So generally, my rule is no fall decorating till September 1st. However, I did want to participate in this challenge, and so I'm kind of doing my own take on this fall kitchen vignette. I am actually using apples as my main theme for the vignette. And as we know, apple picking takes place later in the season, August and September. So we are doing an apple sort of kitchen vignette. And come with me, I'm going to show you some of the items I plan to use in my sort of my little decor styling. And it has to be on a tray so it can be portable. So of course I'm doing it on a tray, you'll see. And I'll show you, as I said, the items I'm using, and then we'll get started on putting it actually together. So be back in just 1 minute. Let's take a look at the items that I think I will be using in styling this kitchen vignette. So I have some large apples, small apples, English ivy. I have a little truck I'm almost certain to add. Then over here I have some artificial hay, a gingham little cloth, a sign, a basket. Then over here I have a candle, and I have this tray. That's one of the items we're required to use for this vignette. Some more English ivy, and possibly this little easel for my sign. Not quite sure yet, but let's go ahead and start putting it together. Well, I wanted my kitchen vignette it to look just as nice from the back as it does from the front, since it is sitting on the corner of my island here in my kitchen. And so I'm going to take you around so you can see it from all angles. And oh my goodness, I am so pleased with how this turned out. I was really scratching my head for a while there about how exactly I was going to go about creating this vignette for the fall, since it is so early. And as I said earlier, it's hard for me to decorate before September 1st. In any case, I just really love this. I think it definitely has a change of the seasons feel to it. And of course, I have my Hello Fall sign. And I really love my white basket, and I love the way I twined the English ivy around the handle of the basket. And then as you can see, the hay is sort of falling out of the basket, holding the apples. And you may have noticed in the video as I was assembling this that I crushed up a piece of, you know, that paper that they use for packing delicate things when you're buying something at Hobby Lobby or anywhere else. Well, I had a sheet of that and I just crumpled it up and put it in the bottom of the basket as sort of a placeholder, so that my apples, you know, would be visible nicely at the top of the basket as if it was just filled to the brim. And as you can see, I added these little white sort of small sunflowers to the design, and lots of English ivy. And I do have one of my candles. This is a Mirage faux candle. I love them because they're quite realistic looking. And I just love this entire, the appearance of this completely. It's just delightful. It certainly reminds me of early fall with the apple picking, as I mentioned. Okay, I am just thrilled. I hope you like it too. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and I especially also want to thank Denise Jordan for hosting this challenge. She does one of these challenges for each of the 4 seasons during the year, and it's so much fun to participate. I just love it, and it really gets me thinking, you know, how can I decorate this area or that area in my home, and looking for something a little different and something that, you know, when I have friends or family over, they will enjoy it too. So why don't you jump in with me and do some fall decorating starting on September 1st. And I'll be back with lots more videos. I still have gardening going on, and then fall decorating will be jumping in to the home decorating arena very, very soon.